Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix lag and stuttering on low-end PC in PUBG PC. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Experiencing lag issue and stuttering issue in PUBG on a low-end PC can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Basic troubleshooting. Lower in-game settings. Set the game to run in borderless or windowed mode. Reduce the resolution and set the graphics quality to very low. Disable unnecessary settings like motion blur and VSync. Advanced fixes. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your GPU drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for the latest drivers. Disable background applications. Close unnecessary background applications to free up system resources. Disable hardware acceleration in browsers like Chrome. Optimize Windows settings. Use a debloat tool to remove unnecessary Windows features. Adjust privacy settings to disable background apps. At last, use game mode. Enable game mode in Windows settings to optimize your system for gaming. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.